Everyone, so if you want to showcase your Google business review on your website without any API keys, then you need to follow the below steps. Okay, so first you need to go to your add new plugins, and you need to add the plugins. So once you click install, it will take some time to install, so you need to activate the plugin. So once you install, it will ask to connect Google platform. It is not required to connect with the existing account where, I mean, example, I am developing this website for my friend, but I don't have the access of this particular business, so I can use any email ID associated with my account. So it is not required to, you need to owner of that particular GMB. Okay, now it is asking for Google business profile link. Now you need to go to here. You need to click on map. So you need to copy this. Make sure you selected the business. Then you need to enter the. So automatically it will show here. You can even type it, but the thing is, if you want accurate result, then you can copy paste. Okay. So now you need to click on connect. Now you need to do some settings, like you may have some negative reviews, and if you want to remove it, then you can filter it out. Okay, first you need to select the layout. I mean, how you want to showcase the review. So let's choose one. I guess uh, this one looks better with the Google logo and ratings. So let's select this design. So once you select this, now select the format, like whether you want to without border, or like you want borders or without border. Let's choose anyone. I guess this one looks good. So now you need to filter out some settings, like do you want to show only 5-star ratings? So just select 5-star. uh, I guess you can leave this. You can leave it. From here, you can filter out, like if you want to hide anything. There are some reviews where you see just star rating, no comment, so you can hide it. But for now, let's leave it. Now you need to click on save and get the code. So I get my code. I need to just copy it from here, and I want to place in my Elementor based homepage. So I have created this page using Elementor. So accept these manual testimonials. I will use automated testimonials. So by using this, I don't need to manually paste the code every time to update the reviews. It will automatically fetch the new reviews on your website. So you see the design changed here. So what I need to do is, yeah, I need to just change the layout of this to, so I will change the background, so automatically it will start showing my reviews. I guess there is some issue with the layout. Just give me a second. Okay, so it starts showing correctly. Maybe there is some issue in the backend, but in front end it looks good. You can see how it works. So if you have any doubt, or if you have any website development projects, you can contact me. I will help you on that. Thank you.